How do we know an object is faster or slower than another object? So, let us take two objects, Object 1 and Object 2. Both objects are moving along the same path. By looking at their motion, can you tell me which object is moving fast and which object is moving slow? Clearly, this bike is moving faster. In comparison to Object 1, Object 2 is moving slowly and is lagging behind. Speed is the physical quantity that can tell us how fast something is moving. So, how do we know the speed of anything that moves?
Hello.
To calculate the speed of an object, we need to know two things: the distance traveled by the object in motion and the time it takes to complete that distance. Speed is the measurement of how far the object has moved divided by how long it takes to move. If we look at moving objects around us, we can know how fast or slow they are. Let us take an example of this ant. If the ant moves from point A to point B without increasing or decreasing its speed, it is called constant speed. If the ant moves from point A to point B with changing speeds, it is called variable speed. Now you know how to measure the speed of a moving object or thing. But when you measure the speed of an object along with direction, it is called velocity. Now that you know how to calculate speed, let us take an example of cricket. Here we can see the position of the batsman, bowler and the boundary. When the batsman hits the ball to the boundary, the total distance travelled by the ball is 80 meters, in time 10 seconds. Now, how do we calculate the speed of the cricket ball? The speed of the ball is measured by calculating the distance covered by the ball and the time it took to cover that distance. The speed of the ball is therefore 80 meters divided by 10 seconds. That is 8 meters per second. Speed and velocity helps us describe the motion of an object and comes handy when we need to measure all the things that moves in our life.